My name is Julia. I'm from Brazil, from the University of São Paulo State. And this is Victor.
And from São Paulo too, and from University of São Paulo.
Yeah, so we're working on a project of an inclusive toy for visually impaired children. It's basically, our main goal is for children to play together, because we've seen that in schools or even in public spaces, children don't like interact so much because it's so difficult for them to really get into each other's shoes. So what are we doing? It's a structure. It consists of 40 of these blocks. So each block has a keyword. It's written here, shoe in Portuguese. So you have the word here and the transcription to Braille and also an icon. Really, the three elements really get children to know the word. It's actually easier for them to absorb. So through this fits, children can actually link those words and build stories, any story they want. With any kind of scenario, any kind of character, they can build a very tall structure like this one, or maybe they can build several blocks, which represents each a different kind of character. And this is all 3D printed, and we've designed it using Fusion 360 from Autodesk. But after testing, we found out that it was really difficult for them to actually fit because they're too small. It's for 4 to 10 years old. So we have printed a different one with magnets. So children are more free to create different structures. Here there are 3 angles. And it's much easier for them to focus on stories instead of really getting to the fits. And we printed magnets inside.
Yeah.
So you pause the printing, inserted the magnets, and that's it.
And with this, we are trying to improve the creativity of the kids, also the literacy, the perception of the world, because children that can see can figure out what is the shape of a heart, what is a balloon, right? They can create this perception of the world, but the most important for us is to make this integration that kids can play together independently of their differences. And the name of our project, we forgot to say, it's Toggle Toy. It's written here in Braille, but that's the symbol. It's Toggle Toy because Togo means integration in Japanese, and that's our biggest value to the project. So,
Togo.